ito yung magsisilbing global calling card natin because we want this to be the go-to site for casting Filipino talent, isang destination sa producers, hindi lang dito sa local industry natin but also globally. We want to find the best our country has to offer, diba, through our actors. Ito po yung dream natin, to see this website. It has been a dream since day one, with actors of every genre, language, generation, skill level, across all regions. But again, like what we said, simula pa lang ito. Kaya, now I'd like to address our new members. We tell stories that move nations, we help shape culture, we help make history. And if only those who came before us were here, sana ay maging proud din sila sa atin. Because the seeds they planted have taken root. And like what I said, we are just getting started. Welcome to Aktor. Welcome to your new home. Maraming salamat. Let's begin the party.